Greetings everyone from Piedmont Triad International Airport. May K. Beeler here with Carolina Aircraft and another beautiful Bonanza to tell you about today. Now this is a 2004 A36 and she's gorgeous. She's got a lot going for her, basically a TAT. Yes, I'm talking about a Tornado Alley Turbo-Normalizing system. Let's check it out. So let's take a look at your Turbo-Normalized engine. Teledyne Continental IO550 300 horsepower engine, about 385 hours on the engine since major overhaul by PowerMasters, 385 since prop overhaul, and it's a hot prop as you can see. We've got the Millennium cylinders, the turbo GAMI injectors, lots to love here folks. So let's talk about some of the great features of this STC. It's the Whirlwind 2 Tornado Alley Turbo-Normalized system. The gross weight increased 4,000 pounds. Now with this STC, we have better performance at altitude. We can climb faster. We have faster airspeed and just greater efficiency. So let's check out the exterior. DeSoto white with burgundy metallic and light saddle stripes. It's in original condition, folks, and it looks really good. Now, only 1,065 hours total time on the airframe since new. So here you can see we have the large double cargo doors we love about the A36. So easy to load our passengers and our cargo. Now, the useful load for this Bonanza, 1,287. And remember, with the STC, it's increased to 4,000 pounds for the gross weight. Seating configuration, of course, that's versatile. Everyone can sit in the club seating configuration as it is now, or if everyone wants to face forward, we can change the seats around. Also, if you want to stow or remove a seat, I don't even need any tools. That's what I love about this plane. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, and we are in business. So I want to brag to you about this interior. Come on in and check it out with me. It's in great condition. Beautiful tan leather seats, tan wool blend carpet in perfect condition, tan leather sidewalls. We have cup holders, a beautiful executive writing desk. Everybody has a shoulder harness. We have a 6-place intercom system, plus built-in oxygen. And let me tell you, this plane has been hangared since new, and it's very obvious the owner has taken very good care of her. This aircraft comes with a nice Garmin package. You have a Garmin 530 WAAS GPS NavCom. Your number 2 NavCom is a 430 non-WAAS. Your transponder is a Stratus with ADS-B out. We do have weather avoidance on board. Garmin XM weather on the G96. XM music to enjoy. We do have a Stormscope. Your Autopilot, it's a KFC 225 Autopilot with flight director. Slaved HSI, GPS steering, yaw dampener, altitude and vertical Preselect, and more. Some features you will appreciate: factory air conditioning, the TAT Whirlwind 2 Tornado Alley system, dual control wheel and dual brakes, turbo GAMI fuel injectors, a Bruce custom aircraft cover, Rosen sun visors, instantaneous vertical speed indicator, 6-place built-in oxygen system, and a Garmin 396 yoke-mounted GPS. So this beautiful A36 is low time. Remember, even though she's a 2004, only about 1,068 hours on the airframe since new. We do have that wonderful STC, the Tornado Alley Whirlwind 2. The airplane climbs faster, more efficiently. She is faster. We've got built-in oxygen on board. So much to love here. And I know this airplane isn't going to last. She's been hangared ever since new. She has been pampered. So come on out to Piedmont Triad International Airport and take her for a test drive. This airplane is waiting for you to fly her away. She won't last long. And remember, Bonanza School, it's included in the price of the aircraft because we want you to be safe and comfortable in your new A36. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Beeler.